Hey, what's up guys? This is Robert, Wilson Pensacola's #1 real estate agent, and I am over here in front of a active listing that I have on the market currently as of June 3rd, 2023. I'm over here a little bit before an open house is gonna start, and I just wanted to make a quick kind of walkthrough video of just showing you guys what a property is like over here in Pensacola. So this property is located in the Warrington area in the 32507 zip code. It is a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,300 plus square foot home, and the price on this home is $385,000. It is conveniently located right next to the front gate of NAS Pensacola, right here, kind of right off of Navy Boulevard, close proximity to Gulf Beach Highway, Navy Boulevard, like I just said, and then Brankus Avenue, which is just a bridge away from being in downtown Pensacola. So anyway, if you are looking for a large home that is priced at a really great price, then definitely check this thing out. The address on it is 403 Rue de Rocheblave Ave, Pensacola, Florida, 32507. So anyway, let's go ahead and check this home out. Down here, actually all but one of the bedrooms are located upstairs, and down here we're taking a look at one of the bathrooms with tile floors, and then the first or the fifth bedrooms located downstairs. LVP floors, you know, all new interior paint. Coming back out of that bedroom, we enter back into kind of the living area, and then we have a view of the kitchen with the little breakfast area located right off of the kitchen. And then over here off of the breakfast area, we'll take a quick peek at the oversized laundry room down here. Plenty of room for a deep freezer as well. A lot of countertop space for storing all of your cleaning supplies and whatever else you have. Walking back over here, checking out the kitchen. Plenty of counter space, all stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage for whatever, you know, lots of cabinets. We have a window right above the kitchen sink overlooking the backyard. Really spacious kitchen, plenty of room to cook all types of meals, whether it's holiday meals, you know, just weekday meals. Plenty of room in this kitchen to do whatever cooking or preparing you need to do. Cruising through the kitchen, we're going to curl around right here, but first we're going to take a look at this back door with the built-in window and shades. Really nice feature. And then right here we have this is what we call the coffee room. Plenty of room for blenders, coffee makers, whatever else you need. It's a really nice thing to have, especially since this is a 5-bedroom home. You know, a lot of folks can end up in the kitchen at one time, and so if you have that little room over there, kind of frees up a little bit of space. Curling around the coffee room, we're going to go upstairs, and upstairs we're going to have 4 beds and 2 bathrooms. All new carpet upstairs, all new interior paint, all new interior doors upstairs. Right here, we're looking down the hallway at the built-in bookshelf, and we're going to stop by our first bathroom. Okay. Again, like I said, all new interior paint. In here, we have tile on the floor. In the bedrooms and in the halls, we have carpet. And then right here, this is going to be considered the master bedroom with the master bath attached. So curling right through here, we have kind of our closet area transitioning into the master bathroom. Plenty of room for storage right there along that wall. And then this would be our master bathroom in here. Sink, toilet, tub, shower combo. I know a lot of homes these days, they're not even doing a tub, they're just doing a walk-in shower. But me personally, I do like the tub shower combo, especially, you know, if you have small children. You know, not everybody is at that stage where they're just taking showers, right? You know, small kids, children still taking baths and whatnot. So I think it's pretty convenient to have that tub shower combo. Coming back out of here, out of the master bedroom, again, there's another look at that bookshelf. Beautiful hallway, just sparkles in my opinion. And then we have bedroom, the additional bedroom over here. So this is the second bedroom upstairs, 2 windows in it, nice natural lighting. Open up to new interior closet door. Nice closet. Coming back out into the hallway, we have 2 more bedrooms up here, one on our left. Boom, there it is. Kind of a mirror image of the bedroom that we were just in. Nice new ceiling fan. And then we have our last bedroom upstairs, and this one is not quite as big as the master, but much bigger than the other 2 that we just looked at. And then the closet space in here is superb. Lots of room for clothes in here, storing whatever. Coming out of that bedroom, again, new interior door with the built-in window and shades feature, really cool feature. And then it opens up right here to the screened in deck. This is a really large deck. Okay, and then it overlooks the backyard right here. And then you can see the driveway from here as well, and the front of the home at the end of the deck. Really spacious deck. You could put outdoor patio furniture, table, plenty of room to decorate this area and make it another living space. Okay, so that was 403 Rue de Rocheblave Avenue. Now what I want to do is just kind of cruise around the neighborhood, show you guys what some of the area is like over here, and show you what some of the other homes are like in this neighborhood. But real quick, before we do that, let me just go ahead and mention that right on the other side, you know, kind of abutting this neighborhood is Star Lake. It's another neighborhood, and then just on the other side of Star Lake is going to be the Pensacola Country Club. So both the Star Lake neighborhood and the Pensacola Country Club are within 2 miles of this home. So if you're a golfer, hey, that's awesome. Check this thing out. Also, you have a grocery store located right here at the entrance to the neighborhood, as well as one of the Episcopal churches here in Pensacola. And then, of course, as I mentioned, NAS Pensacola is just right on the other side of this neighborhood. Super convenient for any military members that are being stationed at NAS Pensacola. So if you have a family and you're getting stationed at Pensacola, a larger family needing 5 bedrooms, definitely check this thing out. Again, the property address is 403 Rue de Rocheblave Avenue. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but it's Pensacola, Florida 32507, and the asking price on this home is $385K. So anyway, let's go check out the neighborhood.